Hello, smart money traders. Welcome back to today's commentary for the dollar index and foreign currency. So quickly, I want us to look at the daily time frame and why I think the dollar is still going to continue buying into the higher time frame drawn liquidity. You remember that we've been buying the dollar. The dollar yesterday traded into the bullish breaker and the fair value gap right there and rallied all the way into that high, and then today I'm still looking to continue buying the dollar into the relative equal high, the old high there, the fair value gap above, and that old high there. Remember that one of the ways to know where the drawn liquidity is residing is to identify the fair value gap, just like we see here, residing above that old high there. That will serve as the short-term draw on liquidity for the dollar index, and as the dollar is trying to rally, we'll be looking to go short on euro, GBPUSD, and other foreign currencies. So right now, what do I see? I see the dollar currently trading into yesterday's price range between the low and the high, and I'll be looking to go long on the 1 hour time frame using market structure on the 1 hour time frame. And clearly you can see on the 1 hour, yesterday price tapped into the bullish breaker and rallied higher, created another price range between the low and the high, and today we see price repricing into the internal range inefficiency, specifically the fair value gap there and the bullish order block, and already going long on this guy. That means I'm shorting euro and GBPUSD as the dollar is preparing to rally into the external range liquidity residing above relative equal high there and the ultimate daily time frame 99.819. That's the drawn liquidity I'm looking at on daily time frame for the dollar to trade into. While that is happening, we'll be looking at the euro USD for possible shorts to happen also on the euro dollar and also on cable, the GBP So clearly you see also this is the euro USD 1 hour time frame, and we see price action also reacting off the 1 hour internal range fair value gap right there on the euro USD, and I'll also be looking to take shots right at that level right there while the dollar is rallying, and our stop loss at that high, and I'll be looking to go into that drawn liquidity right there, and ultimately the daily time frame drawn liquidity that we're looking at on also the euro USD, talking about the relative lows there, the inefficiencies, the old low there as well. We want to see this guy trade into that level. It's going to take time for price to do that, but you can see how it is unfolding from the 1 hour. I want to see it crash into that area while the dollar is trying to rally higher. Then let's take a quick look at the gold asset. Gold has been bullish as forecasted on Sunday commentary. Please guys, don't forget to ensure that you join the Telegram community with the link on the description of this video. Like I mentioned, we're planning a 90-day smart money concept master course that's going to transform your trading in the year 2026. For those of you who are serious, just make sure that you are hitting up and getting prepared for the 90-day smart money concept mentorship. It's nothing you've ever seen before, and I'm putting in all the efforts to see that one of you commented on one of the videos that we're going to graduate a lot of students this year. And I strongly believe that although we are always students of learning, we'll always be learning, but we should see some level of advancement with our students this year. So gold has been bullish. This guy has been rallying. Buy. It's been crazy. This guy is buying. So on the 1 hour time frame, yesterday we had another trade entry around the bullish order block right there. You can see that guy there, price tap into that area and rallied. The same thing today. We want to see this guy open and trade below the close of yesterday's candle. You can see yesterday was sell candle, price opened, traded and closed below. So it opened and traded below the close of yesterday's candle and started to rally all the way into yesterday's high. All right, so what will I be doing? Would I be looking to continue buying the gold? Yes, because it's bullish. So I'll be looking to continue to buy this guy, even though I don't want to be buying right here, I would like to buy when it trades at least into any of the fair value gaps here, the internal range fair value gap. Since we've already missed what the first entry here, we want to wait until it retraced into the internal range, then we look to buy one more time on gold. Then let's briefly look at the GBPJPY. Let's look at the monthly time frame. This guy says it's bullish. Look at the weekly time frame. It says bullish. And I remember we actually called this trade. Yeah, I remember we called the bullish trade on GBPJPY. This guy has been buying. The daily time frame says bullish. You can see that it's been creating market structure, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's actually bullish. So if I want to continue buying right now, what will I be doing? What will I be looking for on GBPJPY? I'm going to wait until it trades into that internal range fair value gap, because we have a new price range that has been created. Price took out the low there. You can see that price took out that low. Price took out the low there. Created shift in market structure bullish there, or breaking market structure bullish. I want to see this guy tap into the fair value here and the breaker before I will be looking to buy again. Now, some of you are going to start taking sales right now. You are counter trend trading. I'd rather be patient until it gets into that high. Then I have more confidence for me to trade in the direction of the order flow. Remember what I mentioned? That the only time structure makes sense is when it's in alignment with the overall order flow of the trade. All right, that's the only time price action makes sense. So I'm going to wait. Once this guy taps into this area, I have more confirmations to go long on GBPJPY. So basically, these are the things I'm looking at today on the dollar index, foreign currency, gold, and the commodities asset GBPJPY. If you learned something in the commentary today, please do not hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section, like the video. And until next time, I wish you guys good luck with trading. Stay safe.